Have you ever heard that someone say, a wine is a blend? This word is often misunderstood, as if it describes something artificial or less noble. In reality, the blending wine is one of the most fascinating practices in the history of the winemaking. Today I want to explain what blending really is, when done well. It's not a trick, but a true form of craftsmanship. Hi, I'm Pietro from Podere la Marronaia. We are a family-run farm. We produce organic and biodynamic wine in San Gimignano. Some of our wine won also the Verano Wine Hunter Festival. If you are interested to the wine world, follow us and subscribe. Blending means combining different wines to create a better balance. There can be wine from different grape varieties, the same grape grown in different vineyard plots, or wine aged in different containers. The goal is not to hide flaws, but to enhance the strength of each wine. It's a bit like cooking. You don't use just one ingredient at all costs. You look for harmony among many. Historically, blending started as a necessity. In the past, vintages were far more unpredictable than today, and modern technologies didn't exist. If one wine was too acidic, too thin or too powerful, balance was archived by mixing it with another wine. Over time, it's evolved into a genuine skill. Passed down from generation to generation, it wasn't a shortcut, it was agricultural intelligence. A well-made blend is never accidental. The goal is to balance acidity, structure and aromas, and persistence. One wine maybe bring freshness, another deep and another elegance. The secret isn't adding more, removing the excesses. A good blend never tastes like a sum of parts, but like a single coherent wine. Many people think the best wines are single variety wines. In reality, many of the world's greatest historic wines have always been blends. Think of Bordeaux and countless Italian traditions. Blending isn't a modern shortcut. It's a conscious choice that requires the experience, constant tasting, and a deep understanding of the base wine. Crafting a great blend requires time and attentive listening. You taste repeatedly, make trial, go back and adjust. There is not fixed formulas. What works one year may not work the next. This is where the winemaker intuition comes in the sensitivity. It's a deeply human part of the winemaking, made of attent, made of mistakes, smell and refinement. A wine from a single grape tells a distinctive voice. A blend tells a chorus. It can be more complex, deeper, more layered, not better or worse, just different. Understanding this helps you avoid judging a wine only by the label and instead appreciate what it expresses in the glass. Once you understand what blending really is, you stop thinking of it as something less authentic. You start asking why it was done, what balance the producer was looking for, what harmony they want to achieve. You drink with more curiosity and less rigidity, and you often discover surprising wine. Wine blending is an ancient art because it's born from experience, observation and listening. It's not a trick, it's a conscious choice to create balance and identity. Here at Marronaia, we believe every wine should find its harmony, even where it's the rules of multiple voices coming together. If you want to understand wine behind the label and the cliché, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell and come visit us in San Gimignano. We let you taste what a truly well-crafted blend really means. Cheers!